Hello everyone, we'll learn about Python ranges in this video. We frequently use ranges in Python for loops, so it is paramount that we master Python ranges. I'm going to use this IPython notebook. Let's start with the most general syntax. It's actually use range built in Python function. Parameters, the first one, start, and the next is stop, and the last is step. So let's use a range to create a number of digits. Equals range, range, start is 0, stop is 9, and step is 1. So we created the range object, so let's print it. Well, it didn't print the numbers in the range. So the reason is this: when we create a range, Python only memorizes these numbers. It doesn't generate the numbers in the range, actual numbers. It only generates those numbers when we demand them, which is a good thing actually. We'll see later why. Okay, so to see those numbers, let's use them in a list. Right, run it again, and we get numbers. Seems like it's not that correct because digits we need to have 9 too. So let's change this to 10 and see what happens. So there you go. So by a mistake, we found that the stop value is not inclusive, it's exclusive. So we have to make up for that. Okay, so it's really important that you note that. All right, so let's play with this a little bit further. I'm going to copy this into next cell, and let's change this step value and run it again. We get the same, right? So that means the default step is 1. Okay, so let's run it again. Now we're going to remove the start, rerun. Okay, so that also makes the default start is also 0. Okay, all right, so let's now take a different example. Let's create the odd numbers between 1 and 20. Okay, so range 1 is the start, the stop is 20. It's odd numbers, so the step value is 2. So let's print this one. And we have to send it to a list. List, and print it. We got the odd numbers, right? Now, as an exercise, would you create the same range of even numbers from 0 to 20? I'll show you how in our next video.